Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026, featuring budget-friendly drones with crazy features like 8K cameras, GPS positioning, obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and even built-in display remotes. If you love drones for aerial photography, travel videos, or just fun flying experiences, this list is going to help you choose the right one. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also reveal which drone gives the best value for money in 2026. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. K18 Max 8K Professional Camera Drone. First spot is the K18 Max 8K Professional Camera Drone. This drone offers the best combination of features, performance, and value in today's AliExpress drone market. It comes with an 8K camera, 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, 5G GPS, brushless motors, and a screen remote controller. The drone is designed for stable aerial photography and smoother cinematic movement. Its advanced stabilization and intelligent flight features make it ideal for creators who want high-quality drone footage for YouTube, TikTok, or travel content. Pros: feature-packed professional design, laser obstacle avoidance system, stable brushless motor performance, GPS-assisted intelligent flight, great value for the price. The K18 Max is easily one of the best drone deals on AliExpress in 2026. It offers premium features usually found in more expensive drones while staying budget-friendly. Number 2. K19 Max Professional Drone. Next up is the K19 Max Professional Drone. This drone combines premium-looking design with advanced flight technology. One of its biggest highlights is the laser obstacle avoidance system, which helps improve safety while flying. It also features 5G GPS positioning, panoramic photography, and even airdrop support, which is a rare feature in budget drones. The drone is clearly aimed at users who want cinematic-style aerial footage. Pros: laser obstacle avoidance, GPS precision flying, panoramic shooting modes, stable outdoor performance, premium design. The K19 Max feels closer to a professional drone experience while still remaining affordable. If you want smoother footage and advanced safety features, this drone is a great option. Number 3. Professional GPS Drone SX1 8K. Next, we have the Professional GPS Drone SX1 8K. This drone is designed for users looking for long-distance flying and more advanced control features. It supports GPS positioning, 5-kilometer image transmission, brushless motors, and a screen-equipped remote controller. GPS support means better stability, more accurate hovering, and useful smart functions like return to home. The long transmission range makes this drone attractive for outdoor adventures in aerial photography. Pros: GPS-assisted stable flight, long-range image transmission, brushless motors, smart return-to-home features, better outdoor performance. The SX1 is one of the best choices for users who want advanced drone features at an affordable price. It delivers better control and stability than many entry-level drones. Number 4. DWI M66 Folding Drone. This drone stands out because of its futuristic design and feature-packed remote controller with a 4.5-inch built-in screen. It offers an advertised 8K movie camera, optical flow positioning, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance technology. The foldable design also makes it easy to carry during travel. Brushless motors help provide smoother and quieter flights while improving durability compared to traditional brushed motors. Pros: foldable and portable design, brushless motors for stable flight, built-in screen controller, obstacle avoidance support, smooth hovering performance. The DWI M66 is a solid mid-range drone for users who want modern features without paying premium prices. It's especially good for travel shots and social media videos. Number 5. E99 Aerial Drone. This is one of the most affordable beginner drones you can find on AliExpress, but surprisingly, it still packs some useful features for casual flying. The drone comes with a 5.5-inch remote controller and a 2.4-inch built-in display, making it easier to monitor your flight without needing a smartphone. It also features dual cameras, optical flow positioning, and fun flight modes like 360-degree flips. For beginners or kids, this drone offers a simple and enjoyable flying experience. Pros: budget-friendly price, easy controls for beginners, built-in screen remote, lightweight and portable, fun stunt features. Overall, the E99 is a great starter drone for beginners who want to learn flying without spending too much money. Don't expect professional footage, but for casual fun and practice, it does the job really well. So, that was our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2026. If you're a beginner, the E99 is a fun and affordable choice. For balanced performance, the DWI M66 and SX1 are excellent options. But if you want premium features and the best overall experience, the K18 Max and K19 Max are definitely worth checking out. Let me know in the comments which drone was your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and gadget recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.